last month. Yeah, to Phoenix. Phoenix. We went to Scottsdale, so we stayed in a hotel there, and then no, the Hilton. There's a Hilton right over there, right on the road. No, we didn't stay downtown. We stayed a little bit off. I like the pool better over there. I'm trying to remember on the top of my head what it was, but anyway, we did the Hilton, and then um, I took her. Um, I took her to. Uh, we rented ATVs and did some ATV in, and for like a half a day, and then we just did Old Town and ate at the steakhouse there. Comedy Club. Oh yeah, yeah. No, it was awesome, man. We freaking killed it. It was awesome. Everybody else took the truck type ATVs, but we freaking rode the ATVs. It was fun. It was tough, man.